Hi everyone, in this quick video, I'll be comparing two tools to help you understand the differences between them and learn when to use each one effectively. First, let's take a look at the Shape Builder tool. Position the path over the shapes and select everything. Then, use the Shape Builder tool to divide the different areas, assigning the appropriate color to each section as you go. As you can see, this approach takes a considerable amount of time. If you look closely, you'll notice that the shapes weren't divided exactly the way we wanted. Now, let's move on to the next tool. Just like before, place the path over the shapes. This time, there's no need to select everything. Selecting only the top path is enough. Next, go to the Object menu, choose Path, and then click on Divide Objects below. Now it's easy to see how much faster and cleaner this tool handles the division process for us. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial as much as always. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like. Feel free to leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more content. Thanks for watching.